Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer renovation invoices using Xero step by step clearly. Open your Xero dashboard. Navigate to the business section. Select invoices from the drop-down menu. Click on new invoice to create a new entry. Choose the contact for whom you are billing. Enter the invoice date and due date. In the description field, provide details about the renovation work completed. Input the quantity of work done in the quantity field. Set the unit price for the services rendered. Add any applicable tax rates as needed. Ensure that the totals are correct at the bottom of the invoice. Click on Save to store your invoice. If you need to transfer multiple invoices, go to the Repeating section. Select Manage to view existing invoices. Choose the invoice you want to transfer. Click on Copy to duplicate the invoice for editing. Make necessary changes to the new invoice. Adjust the contact or project details if required. Once satisfied with the changes, save the new invoice. For exporting invoices, navigate to the Invoices list. Select the invoices you wish to export. Click on Export from the options available. Choose the desired format for export, such as PDF or CSV. Wait for the download to complete. Your renovation invoices are now ready for transfer or printing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.